ये छोटा सा हिमाचल का टाउन उन लोगों के लिए है जो शिमला मनाली जाके बोलते हैं ये कितना क्राउडेड है, कोई पास में जगह है क्या ऐसी कि जहाँ शांति मिले। Guys and girls, presenting you Narkanda, which is just 65 kilometers from Shimla and one of the best getaway places for 2 days. Hello people, this is me Pragya Sharma exploring new ways of living, and I am here to share my experience of Narkanda, which is in Himachal Pradesh and can be easily reachable by public transport and your personal vehicle. After spending 1 week of my vacation time, I realized that this offbeat place is good to explore in 2 days with relaxation. Now without a further intro, let's dive into our itinerary details and now rock and roll. Narkanda is one of the perfect destinations in Himachal to cover in 2 days. I travelled to Narkanda by Himachal Transport AC Volvo bus directly from Delhi ISBT to Narkanda and reached here at around 7 in the morning. There are only a few places to explore, which is why this is perfect for short trip, and the places are: first, Hatu Peak, which is around 7 kilometers from the main market. Second is Tanu Jabbar Lake, which is around 10 kilometers from the main market. Third is the skiing ground. Well, there's nothing as such happening in the summertime because this ground by the name is famous for skiing. And fourth, lastly, the small main market. Day 1. You can plan for spot 1, Tanu Jabbar Lake. Board a bus from the Narkanda bus stand, which is in the main market. लोकल ट्रांसपोर्ट बस जो थानेदार विलेज की साइड जाती है वो आपको नियर बाई टर्न पे ड्रॉप करेगी एंड वहाँ से 10 मिनट्स का वॉकिंग है लेक तक। बस टाइमिंग है 8 in the morning, 11 in the morning and around 1 in the afternoon. I boarded the bus at 11 in the morning and got down to this turn in half an hour. उसके बाद I walked for 10 minutes to reach my final destination. Now look at this place. Well, nothing happening but a relaxing spot. The lake and the eco park managed by the forest department of the Kotgar. पहले तो मैंने लेक पे 10-15 मिनट स्पेंड किया, फिर यहाँ इको पार्क में एंट्री की. वेरी साइलेंट सराउंडिंग, मतलब मैं अकेली यहाँ और ये जंगल, सेफ एंड काम. Around 2 in the afternoon, I started going down to the same bus stop where they dropped me and boarded a bus to Narkanda at around 2:30 in the afternoon. रिटर्न में एक बस 2:30 नून में आती है और एक 5 to 5:30 इवनिंग में आती है. नारकंडा वापस आने के बाद I went to my next destination, spot 2 skiing ground, which is about 500 meters from the main market. यहाँ आके देखा तो सन्नाटा है, that is pin drop silence. Well, some people like it this way, some do not like it. I was neutral here and honestly, I spent only half an hour of time here because कुछ ऐसा करने को था नहीं, and I'm sure this place would be flooded with people during winter time for skiing. And that's how you can wrap up your day 1. 2 जगह घूमो and relax करो because next day you can plan a short hike to Hatu Peak. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your day 2 and get up early, go for a short hike. Spot 1, Hatu Peak, with an elevation of 3,400 meters. It ranks amongst one of the highest peaks in the area. The hike starting point is 7 kilometers from the city center. जब स्नो नहीं होती है तो टैक्सी टॉप तक लेके जाती है टिल द टेम्पल, बट जब स्नो होती है तो टैक्सी पार्किंग पॉइंट तक जाती है एंड उसके बाद 4x4 गाड़ी ऊपर लेके जाती है. टैक्सी के चार्जेस मोस्टली 700 to 800 रुपीज़ रहते हैं एंड ऊपर तक जाने का 1000 to 1200 रुपीज़ लगता है. We did a morning hike to the temple from the parking point, which was fun because ऊपर melting snow थी and मेरे शू बहुत slip हो रहे थे. Start करते ही I was like, dude मैं ऊपर कैसे जाऊँगी? But somehow we reached to the parking से top तक. The distance was somewhere around 3 kilometers, which will take approximately 2 to 2.5 hours from one to hike to the top. इतना स्ट्रेट एलिवेशन नहीं है हाइक में. आई वुड कंसिडर दिस इजी एंड वन मस्ट डू इट फॉर श्योर बिकॉज द व्यू फ्रॉम द टॉप इज अमेजिंग, स्पेशली द कामनेस. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी बिकॉज लास्ट स्नो मैंने मैक्लोडगंज में देखी थी, दैट टू इन द ईयर 2021. सो मेरा अलग ही लेवल का एक्साइटमेंट था. ऊपर टॉप पे हाथू माता का टेम्पल है. द साइट इज बिग इनफ टू फाइंड योर ओन क्वाइट स्पेस एंड दिस कैन बी अ प्रोडक्टिव फर्स्ट हाफ एक्टिविटी. एंड नाउ इन द सेकेंड हाफ, wrap up your trip by exploring a small main market. Relax at your stay place and that's how you can make up the most of your 2 days in Narkanda. I'm leaving the contact number of a taxi driver who took us to the Hatu Peak and dropped one of my friends to Shimla. I would suggest not taking taxi from the Union. बहुत ज़्यादा चार्ज करते हैं and non-negotiable रहता है. हमारे टैक्सी वाले भैया बहुत cool and chill थे. If you have any suggestions or questions, do write to me in the comment section, or also you can reach out to me on my Instagram and thread handle. It's called Khao Local Ghumo Global. Next video will be on the food, which is one of my favorite segments. This is me, Pragya Sharma, exploring new ways of living, signing off. You see me in my next release. Till then, travel safely, stay safe and explore the world with care. Bye. Salam.